In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off clips snapping back in CapCut PC. If you're editing in CapCut on your computer and your clips keep jumping back to the beginning of the timeline or sticking together every time you move them, this is usually caused by one setting. The good news is that it's very quick to fix, and once you know where it is, you can turn it on or off anytime you need. To get started, look down at your timeline area, where all of your editing tracks and clip lanes are displayed. Right above those track rows, you'll see a thin horizontal shortcut toolbar. This small toolbar contains several quick timeline controls, and it's the place where CapCut keeps some of the most useful track behavior settings. If you've never paid attention to this area before, it's worth remembering because it can save you a lot of time while editing. Now move your cursor across that horizontal toolbar toward the right side. You're looking for the icon that resembles a small magnet with vertical tracking lines. This is called the main track magnet switch, and it controls whether clips on the main track automatically pull together or snap back into place. Go ahead and click that magnet icon once. When it turns off, the blue highlight should disappear completely. That visual change is important because it confirms the snapping behavior has been disabled. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's also a faster option. You can simply press the P key on your keyboard to toggle this setting on or off instantly. That can be especially helpful if you switch between snapping and free movement often during an edit. Once the magnet is turned off, you can immediately test the difference in your timeline. Click and hold any video clip on the main track, then drag it to the right. When you release it, the clip should stay exactly where you placed it. Instead of snapping back to the left or pulling tightly against another clip, it will leave an empty black gap behind. That means you now have much more control over spacing and placement on your timeline. This makes it easier to arrange clips freely, create intentional gaps, and position footage exactly where you want it without CapCut forcing everything together. So that's it. Find the timeline toolbar, locate the main track magnet icon, click it to turn off the blue highlight, or press P on your keyboard and then move your clips freely. You're all set.